Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a haul. As you saw by the thumbnail, I'm so excited because there's some new products in the drugstore. I got these products from Target and a little bit from Ulta. They're all the same brand, I believe, except for like one item in here, but two items. But I wanted to show you guys what I just got, these new products and things like that. So if you like beauty hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And without further ado, if you want to see what I got from Target and Ulta, then keep on watching. First, going into the Ulta bag because it's only a few items. I went to Target twice to get the rest of the stuff that I wanted to get for some upcoming videos. So starting off with the Ulta bag, I got a e.l.f. camo concealer sponge, which is their new sponge to blend out concealers under the eye. And it looks like this. Says that it's latex free. Introducing the camo concealer sponge, the perfect sponge to complement the camo concealer. This sponge was specifically designed to perform the best with their concealer. So that is what I'm excited about because I did pick up one of the camo concealers as well. But let me just see how it feels. It's pretty like small, but ooh, feels really soft. I love soft sponges like this. So it looks like it's gonna be perfect to fit directly under the eye, down the bridge of the nose, in the center of the forehead. If you highlight right here on your cupid's bow, and if you highlight on your chin, then this is perfect for those areas. So I'm excited to try this out. Next from Ulta, I picked up the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. This is a crease and smudge proof for 12 hours eyeshadow primer in the shade Sand. I typically don't use a eyeshadow primer, but I want to do a full face of e.l.f. products, showing you guys how you can come up with a flawless, affordable drugstore full face without breaking the bank. And I wanted to try some new drugstore products anyway. So again, this is the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I did review the putty primers here on my channel, so go ahead and check those out. I'll try to link them down in the description box, but if not, they will definitely come up on the cards. And this actually is giving me like similarity to the MAC paint pot. And let me just see how it feels. Oh yeah, it's definitely giving me like MAC paint pot. But this comes in a variety of shades. So if you're not my skin tone, then that's totally fine. This one is actually a little bit deeper than I thought. But this is in the shade Sand. Like I said, it came in multiple shades to fit your skin tone. So that is that. And lastly, I picked up another brow pencil. I told you guys I love this pencil. I've talked about it here numerous times in my last few videos. This is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse. So I just stocked up on another one of those. These are only $5. So you guys, if you're looking for a dupe to the Benefit Brow Precisely Brow Pencil, in my opinion, this Morphe one is definitely a dupe. One of my girlfriends told me that, and I've been stuck on these pencils since. So I definitely want to give credit where credit is due. I'm thankful that she shared that with me because now I'm able to save $15 plus. So yes, that. Moving on to the Target bag. So I went to Target the first time and I was like, let me just get everything here. And then I realized I had a few points at Ulta. So that's why I went to Ulta and got those things, because some of those things were not at Target. Some stuff at Target, not at Ulta. You guys know how the drill goes. So I went to Target a couple of times and I got some more products. Now I'm really excited to talk about this stuff because I've been wanting to try this. And when I saw these, I immediately had like an idea in mind for a video. So I picked up these new e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadows. You guys, off the bat, when I saw these, I said these have to be the dupes to the Fenty Snap Shadows. Like, am I the only one? Like, look at these. They are gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. The first one is called Berry Bad. Let me just open this up. I'm too excited about this. I cannot wait to try these out. Looks like this. Well, I immediately thought about the Fenty Snap Shadows. Like, these were only $3. Those Fenty Snap Shadows, I think, are about $25 a piece. And I think if you buy two, they're $45 or something like that. But I haven't been to Sephora in some time. So I definitely am excited that the drugstore brands are coming out with things to give people the opportunity to just try different things. So this is the berry one. I'm going to swatch it. I'm going to insert a clip of me swatching them here. But this is beautiful. I cannot wait to try it. The next one I have is Carnival Candy, and that one looks like this. Let me just open it up. This one stood out to me because of the blue that's in here. Again, this one's called Carnival Candy. And it looks like this. These colors are so pretty. Like, I cannot wait to try different eye looks using these palettes. And these will be really cute to travel. Less space to put in your, less space taking up from an eyeshadow palette in your makeup bag. And the last one I picked up is called Pumpkin Pie. This one is like your everyday, like natural glam type of eyeshadows. But they have so many of these in the e.l.f. Section, so definitely check them out. Like I said, $3, you can't beat that with the stick, and I picked up all of those. So girl, I'm so excited to try these. I don't know, I just saw those and I was like, whoa, these look just like those Fenty ones. I gotta try them out. But next I have a e.l.f. lip gloss. I've never tried those glosses before, but Andrea Renee, my girl here on YouTube, she constantly talks about these glosses. I didn't see the clear one that she always talks about, but I saw this cute mauve one. This one's in the shade Mauve Glitz, and it looks like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. They smell like a light vanilla, but this is like your everyday type of gloss, but gives you a little bit of sheen with a little bit of glitter. I think that'd be really, really cute, like an everyday color or even on top of something. All right, so next I picked up another Sonia Kashuk makeup sponge. I love these sponges, so I just picked up another one to add to my collection. I have so many of these now, but they're so comfortable on the face. When you wet them, they blow up really big, and you can just finish your whole face, your makeup, foundation in this like a split second with this sponge. It's super soft, almost soft. The softness of it is like this e.l.f. one I was showing you guys, but this one is really, really soft and easy to clean. And I really love the color on it, the marble and everything like that. So that is the Sonia Kashuk. This was $5. They do have a pack that has 2 sponges in a pack for $7. So you can't beat the price with the stick. So I was like, why not get another one? Can never go wrong with having a lot of sponges in your collection. I also picked up this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. It sets makeup and creates a soft focus blurred finish, and I picked it up in the shade medium. And when I picked this up, I automatically thought of, if I can get it open, I automatically thought of the Laura Mercier highlighting setting powder that they have. I have that one, and I wanted to do a comparison. So comment down below if you want me to do a comparison of like this being a dupe to that. I think it will, just off of what it's saying, Halo Glow setting powder. And I'm dying to swatch this, so let me see. Oh yeah, I can definitely see that this will give you like a blur effect, but not so much of a glitter or highlight type of effect. So I'm intrigued to see how this is gonna look on top of concealer, and also comparing it to the Laura Mercier. So again, this is the e.l.f. Halo Setting Powder. I don't hear people talking about these that much. So when I saw this in store, it was my girl Andrea Renee again who like mentioned it, and I haven't seen anybody else talking about them. Got lipstick on my teeth. But I haven't seen anybody else talking about them, so I said I wanted to try it and see like what was the comparison of this one and my Laura Mercier one too. Next in my bag, I got the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. It's an oil-free satin finish foundation. I picked it up in the shade Almond, which is a medium with peachy undertones. I did not know what shade I would be in this, honestly, because you couldn't like try the color on. So I like that it has this pump. This was $6. It looks like this. Comes with a cute little pump. Really cute like glass. It has a little weight to it, glass frosty bottle. I didn't know what my shade was going to be with this, honestly. And I couldn't like test it before buying it, so I had to like really try to figure this out. But hopefully this shade will work, especially down here. If you watch my channel, you know that I have dark hyperpigmentation. I always mention that here on my channel. But it looks like it'll be a little bit light, but I'm not sure. It's blending in with my arm and hand. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I'll do it on this side. Like it's blending in with this, but my face is a little bit different undertone than my hand. So I picked this one up in Almond. I was really going to get caramel, but it was looking so orange, through the frost bottle. I was like, I don't want it to look Oompa Loompa. I want it to look like it blends in with my skin. So yeah, that's that. Got the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I never really talked about this. I've never even seen somebody talk about this foundation, but I wanted to try it because e.l.f. seems like they're coming out with a lot of new products, whether they're revamping them, if they're really new to their collection. So I was like, let me give it a chance, trying one of their foundations. So that is that. That was, like I said, $6. And last but not least, in my bag, I picked up the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, the matte one. I did not get the hydrating one because I wanted to try the original one first. I picked it up in the shade Tan Neutral, and I'm hoping that it goes with this foundation, Lord. But they have the large wand on it, how the Tarte Shape Tape has, but this is the color of that. I think that is going to be the same shade as this foundation. I probably could have got sand. We'll see. It looks like the foundation is lighter than the concealer. So this is the foundation and this is the concealer. I could have went up a shade. But like I said, shopping at Target is a little bit different than shopping at like Ulta, because you could kind of, some stuff you could test out. Now Ulta, you couldn't test out the e.l.f. stuff either, but we'll have to make it work because I'm not going back to those stores. So yeah, so this is the matte camo concealer by e.l.f. in Tan Neutral, and then the foundation by e.l.f. in the shade Almond. And yeah, so that is everything that I picked up from Target and Ulta. Comment down below if you tried any of these new e.l.f. products. What are your thoughts on them? Are you excited about the fact that drugstore brands are coming out with new products or revamping their products? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Also, give this video a thumbs up. That'll let me know that you guys want me to try out these products, doing a full face of e.l.f. products. And yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.